If thinking about using Bluehost for your website, this video is for you. In this full Bluehost review, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know before choosing Bluehost, including their plans, pricing, performance, customer support, security, dashboard, and overall value. I'll show you real speed test results from a fully functioning WordPress website hosted on Bluehost so you can see exactly how it performs in real-world conditions. And if you decide Bluehost is the right hosting provider for you, I'll show you how to get an exclusive Bluehost discount of up to 78% off, plus a free domain name, which is lower pricing than you'll see if you go directly to their website. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you still get the lowest Bluehost pricing available. Alright, let's get into the review. Bluehost is one of the most well-known web hosting providers and has been around since 2003. They currently host millions of websites worldwide and are officially recommended by WordPress.org. Bluehost is known for being beginner-friendly, affordable, and offering tools that make it easy to build a website, even if you've never created one before. Some of the core features Bluehost offers include free SSL certificates, a free CDN for faster website loading, global data centers, 99.99% uptime reliability, 24/7 customer support, a free domain name on annual hosting plans, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. But the real question is, how well does Bluehost actually perform? Let's start with the pricing and plans. Bluehost currently offers three main hosting plans: Personal, Starter, Business, and the price you pay depends on the term length you choose. The terms available are 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, monthly. If you want the lowest monthly price, the 3-year or 4-year terms provide the biggest discount. Also important to note, the free domain name is only included with annual plans, so if you choose monthly billing, the domain is not included. Now let's break down what each hosting plan includes. The Personal plan is Bluehost's most basic plan and is designed for beginners launching their first website. With this plan, you get one website, 1 GB NVMe storage, ideal for around 10,000 visits per month. This plan works well for personal blogs, portfolio websites, small starter sites. The Starter plan is where most users end up because it allows you to host multiple websites. With this plan, you get 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe storage, ideal for around 40,000 visits per month. This plan is great if you want to build multiple websites or expect moderate traffic. The Business plan is Bluehost's highest tier shared hosting plan. With this plan, you get up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, ideal for around 200,000 visits per month. It also includes additional premium features such as phone support access, free domain privacy for the first year, malware detection and removal. So if you're running a business website or multiple projects, this plan gives you the most flexibility. One thing Bluehost does really well is its user-friendly dashboard. Once you log into your account, everything is organized in a clean interface where you can manage your websites, domains, email accounts, backups, security settings, and WordPress installations. Bluehost also offers one-click WordPress installation, which makes launching a website extremely easy. So even if you're a complete beginner, you can get a website up and running in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors, website performance. Speed matters because slow websites can hurt user experience, SEO rankings, and conversions. To test Bluehost performance, I ran a speed test on a fully functioning WordPress website hosted on Bluehost. This site includes real pages, plugins, images, and content so it reflects actual website usage instead of a blank test page. Here are the results. As you can see, the website loads quickly and performs well for a shared hosting environment. Bluehost also includes a free CDN, which helps deliver content faster to visitors around the world. Security is another important factor when choosing a hosting provider. Bluehost includes several built-in security features, such as free SSL certificates for encrypted connections, malware detection, automatic updates, domain privacy options, account protection tools. The Business plan also includes malware detection and removal, which adds another layer of protection for your website. These features help keep your site safe from common online threats. Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support, which is important if you ever run into issues with your website. You can reach support through live chat and phone support on higher plans. From my experience, response times are generally fast, and the support team is helpful with most WordPress-related questions. For beginners, especially having access to support anytime can be extremely valuable. Another helpful feature Bluehost provides is its knowledge base. This is a large library of step-by-step guides and tutorials that help you learn how to use different Bluehost features or solve common issues. You'll find tutorials on things like installing WordPress, connecting a domain name, setting up email accounts, and managing your website. So if you ever need help, there's a good chance you can quickly find an answer without needing to contact support. Here are some of the biggest advantages of using Bluehost: very beginner-friendly interface, officially recommended by WordPress, affordable pricing with large discounts, free domain name included on annual plans, free SSL certificate and CDN, reliable uptime, easy WordPress setup. No hosting provider is perfect, so here are a few downsides to consider. Renewal pricing is higher after the first term. Monthly plans do not include the free domain. Entry plans have limited storage. That said, for most beginners and small websites, Bluehost still offers strong value for the price. If you want to try Bluehost, I've included a special discount link in the description below this video. When you use that link, you'll get up to 78% off hosting plans, a free domain name included with annual plans, and the lowest Bluehost pricing available. Just click the link in the description and then click Get Started to view the hosting plans. From there, you can choose the plan and term length that works best for your website. So is Bluehost worth it? For beginners, bloggers, small businesses, and anyone launching their first website, Bluehost is still one of the easiest and most affordable hosting providers available. It offers a beginner-friendly dashboard, solid performance, strong security features, and helpful customer support. And when combined with the exclusive discount of up to 78% off plus a free domain name, it becomes one of the most affordable ways to start a website. If you want to get started with Bluehost, check out the discount link in the description below. And if this video helped you, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more website tutorials and hosting reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.